Welcome scalpers, Reece.Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com, looking at the NQ on 5-minute candles here. No trades for me yet. Market is already open in New York. Just looking back, we had some really great signals here. All winners. This big arrow here with a big move down here if you would have caught this. Still no trades for me today. Ultimate AI Pro is the indicator, 5-minute NQ. If I find something to take, I'll come back and show you. Alright, here's a possible sell notification. Getting an alert right here. I'll take it if it breaks through the bottom of this candle.
Order filled.
Don't have my ATM in here.
Order submitted.
Alright, I'm going to make it a risk-free trade here in a second. And these are 5-minute candles, so you're not going to see every tick because I'm going to stop and start the video. Otherwise, it's just going to be way too long.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
We're going to sell it again as it pulls back to the entry point. It was a really big move down. I didn't catch all the profit of it, just a little bit of a scalp. Let's see if it comes back down.
Order submitted.
I keep forgetting to select my ATM this morning, so sorry about that. Okay, at any time I could make it a risk-free trade or get out with profit here. I just don't want to get stopped out early. I want to see if it comes back down to this level. I mean, it may not. Alright, it's time to put a stop in to make it a risk-free trade. It's acting really springy. Bouncing off of the zone and the EMA here. Probably come back up and hit my stop. But I'm pretty happy with this, so I don't care if it does that. It's gonna come back up now after it bounces here. And yes, I can move
Order
my stop
filled.
up, but I don't know what's gonna happen after it bounces here. Is it gonna continue up? Okay, here was the next trade here that I stepped away from the computer and did not take. Turned out to be a really nice winner as well. You saw me take this one down here, going down. Lots of bouncing off of the zone right here. With a move back up, breaking through here, which would have been a really nice trade. Up for the day so far, one trade. Actually, two trades here. Here's the 1 minute backside,
Order filled.
pushing higher. Here was the entry here at the magenta. Now you see this red arrow here. There's no trade on it because it didn't break the previous. And then we had the backside here, which is a winner. I took it late on the 1 minute. Let's see if I can scalp a little bit out of it. Alright, is the 1 minute. It moves very rapidly and crazy, so I'm going to lock in.
Stop filled.
Not much. Alright, nothing happening except for this move that I missed on the 5 minute here. I like that this candle is going to stay small. I hope it stays small. And in another minute, there may be a signal to short. Looks like it's a little confused on if it wants to go higher or come lower. So that's a good time to have a signal and ride it down. Let's see if that happens. Alright, see if I get a signal on this candle right here. I do have the signal, and I waited for it to pull back a little bit to right about
Order
the
filled.
low. Let's see if price comes down to this level again. Alright, now I don't want to get in too close here, too tight, because I'll just get stopped out. So let's just wait a little bit. It is a 5 minute candle, so you're going to get a lot of up and down. Alright, still in this trade. Went all the way down to here. I didn't get out or put my stop in, so let's see if this candle here brings me some money. Okay, I do have multiple alerts and arrows on this candle. Could bring in my stop and make it a risk-free trade at any time. I don't mind if I get stopped out here. I'm up pretty good for the day. There's a trigger. Up over 2,000, so I'm gonna be done for the day after this trade. Maybe we'll see. Could get a bounce here and a stop out. Don't care. See the reaction.
Stop filled.
All right. Pretty much done for the day. 2,300 bucks. Pretty nice signals. Nothing repaints on this indicator. I give you my number here. Shoot me a text message if you have any questions. Go see the website. It's in the description below. You don't have to ask me a bunch of questions on YouTube. I rarely check those. Text me with your questions. Go to the website. All your questions will be answered there. Look how far it's pulled back after it bounced off here. Why do I want to give that up? That's why I keep it tight. Yeah, sure, it may come back down, but I do it the way I do it because that's how I do it. All right, I'm in a huge up move today. Why not take this right here?
Order filled.
Here's your up move with the trend, with the trend, with the trend, with the trend. I have signals for everything for you with the trend. I mean, I don't know how to make it any easier. I know I said I was done, but I just couldn't resist on this super easy trade. I mean, it's super in your face. Why not take it? Trade. Chances are it wants to test this high right here. So if it even goes halfway up, that would be perfect, easy money. Okay, at any time I could make this a risk-free trade, get out with profit. All right, now I feel like it's the time to do that. Stop me out. I don't care. I'm already done for the day. This is just icing on the cake. But I still don't want to get stopped out because I think it's going to test that high. So I may just pull back and wait. It's kind of making a bull flag. All right, no risk, no reward. I could put my stop here or just get out with profit and be really happy with what I got. Or I could wait for the bigger move, which I believe is going to happen. And 10 minutes later, I'm still in the trade. It broke the high over here. Still going higher. Patience. That's why I didn't let myself get stopped out. I just kept riding it higher. For those of you who like to that keep asking me, can you stay in the trade longer? Can you take longer trades? I'm like, yeah, you can. You just have to have patience and you have to endure some red. But yeah, you can take trades and have them go longer. You saw the bull flag happening. No brainer trade right here. And I'm for sure done after this trade. Literally no bad signals today. Does it happen every day? No. There's going to be a bad signal here and there. I mean, how many good signals do you really need? I don't know. Shoot me a text message. You got a question. This is Ultimate AI Pro. This is NQ 5 minute. Like I say over and over, I don't know how to make it any easier. Do a trial. Guess what's going to happen here? Probably going to get a little bit of pullback after it hits this ultimate zone. So what I do is I tighten up. I want to maximize my profit here. If it blows right through it, even better. See a little bounce back. I don't care. These are 5 minute candles. This is the 5 minute. I usually show you pre-market on 30 second, 1 minute. Five takes is a little bit little different of an animal.
Stop filled.
There you go. Great signals, every single one. If you took this right into the zone and the line right here, that's difficult, but still profitable. Ultimate AI Pro.